Their relaxing family moment suddenly turned into chaos. Dad was chilling when he suddenly sneezed loudly, completely breaking the calm atmosphere. Their baby, who was nursing in Mom's lap, immediately started crying, startled by the unexpected sound. Feeling guilty, Dad quickly got up and rushed over to comfort the little one, apologizing with a regretful look on his face. Meanwhile, Mom stayed calm, gently rocking the baby and reassuring them that everything was okay. Don't forget to subscribe for more funny moments like this.